fucking start going there again! The Saffron Tales of Earth! What's up, Park? And then the shut up banana man! You man! Holy crap! The tree are down it!
Coming soon.
I'm pulling out in the tree and down it!
We're still watching this. This place is new, right?
Did you see that? The walrus shot on TV right here? Oh, God! Oh, great! The student of the families!
The tides have turned. No longer must we burn the spirits of the dead. No longer must we treat our precious ozone layer like the bastard stepchild of the cosmos. No longer can even the most jaded neocon fat cat deny the majesty of our mother.
And ocean! Oh no!
Hello?
We got it then! What do we do? Stick him out! He went to get a Quake and Quake on the chase the war monster! Wait until we're with Venture 4! The countdown! He went to Sunday, December 17th to Friday, March 1st. Oh no, I'm becoming silent! I do not burn, not coming silent! Okay, oh good, no, I'm not.